Hello, upper school students. This is Mr. Engstrom, and I'm going to walk you through a little of the why, but mainly the how we're going to make this Launchpad your own. So, in a nutshell, PowerSchool wasn't working for anyone. You guys weren't using it to access stuff. Teachers didn't enjoy loading things onto it. It wasn't a good system. So, the department chairs got together and we landed on the Launchpad idea. So, if you go to your inbox, you'll pull up something that looks about like this. And then the first thing we'll do is we'll go to File, Make a Copy. And we think this is going to be a much better way for you guys to sort of access all the resources and see what's going on in each of your classes. So I would go first, last name, Launchpad. You could do something else if you want, but we're going to be sharing this with your parents and your advisor and any tutors that you may have. So you may want to do something similar here. And then from there, I think the next step is going to share. And if you go to advanced and change, if I were you, I'd do anyone with the link. Anyone who has the link anywhere will be able to access it. If you want to invite specific people, that's fine. Public on the web is fine. Anyone with this link is probably the best, unless you want to do that option. So we'll save, and there it is, a person above the link, so we're good. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your classes. So each row here is a class. This is all English, this is all fine arts, this is all history, these two rows are math. We've got science, a little computer science, Spanish, and strength and conditioning. So that's it. What you'll do is you'll go to classes and your teacher will say, on this row, all you need is that icon, for example. Or on this row, all we're keeping is a little painter's palette. On this row, this is government. If you have two histories, maybe you're going to end up with something like that. In math, and so on and so on, until you get maybe to something that looks like this. Maybe that's what you want your Launchpad to look like. Maybe you're going to add things, I don't know. Or maybe you want it to look like this, sort of nice and tight, and you want everything in one place. Either way, we hope this is a good method for you guys to access everything you need for your classes, and I hope you find that it helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know, let your advisor know, let a teacher know, and we can help you. Thanks a lot.